What's up for the squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're meeting up with the homie Frantz. We're then going to go to the homie Ryan's house for a little bit, chill for a bit, and then we're gonna roll up to Speed Zone so Frantz can get his new wheel setup installed and everything. So it should be a pretty good time. Can't wait for you guys to see Bandit's setup. I know we just did a end of 2020 update on Bandit, but yeah. He had these plans in motion for a little bit, so it's only right that we go ahead and get it recorded for you guys. So stay tuned. So yeah, I did meet up with Frantz, and he's riding behind me. I doubt you can see him. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try. But yeah, so we are on the way to Ryan's now. Actually just past Speed Zone on the way. So we're taking a scenic route, and it's a pretty dope drive so far. And the weather's pretty good. We're like 76 degrees today, so it feels pretty good. But yeah, we'll be meeting up with Ryan. I don't know if we're gonna have time to chill as long as we wanted to. And there was a few things we wanted to kind of button up on my car before we got to Speed Zone, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. So we're probably gonna get there, talk, chill for a little bit, and then head right on back to Speed Zone, and then Frantz will get his wheels and stuff installed, and then I believe we're going to be going to get the alignment. I think that's today. Not 100% sure, but I don't know. But also make sure you guys don't forget to hit up the merch store. Link is in the description below. All the stickers, or the new stickers that I'll be showing you on Frantz's car, those are the ones that I did. They're not on the actual merch store. Those were customs he kind of asked me about, and so I just made those. But well, the only Nissans is on a shirt, but it's not actually on for like just a sticker. But we could definitely do them. If there's anything that you would like done, definitely let me know. If you look at the merch site itself, look at any of the stickers, it'll kind of give you the idea of the colors and materials we have. So yeah, and if there's anything not on that list that you would like, definitely let me know, because we might be able to add that depending on what it is, and if we can get other people to buy them as well. So I know you probably hear Frantz there. Just did a quick little pull. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and should be at Ryan's here pretty shortly. Alright, so we just showed up. Ryan getting right before we head out to Speed Zone. That got the way.
I got so many paint chips in my car, dog.
And here we go. We are lined up. Let me show you those stickers I was talking about. And we still have a few more we're about to do. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Look at the detail. I don't know if you can see it. Nah, it ain't really picking up too well on the camera. But it's the glitter vinyl that we've been using. It's the same as the Fitted Squad up here. I don't know if this angle will help. No, it's not picking up on camera. But it's real shiny.
It's super shiny.
Yeah, it's kind of the same as that, except for the pink version. But yeah, we'll be wrapping up here and heading straight on over to Speed Zone. Sneak peek.
Do you tell them what they're...
Yeah, if you want to.
I don't know if they're ready, but hey.
I don't think so. But I know they want to see him. Boom. Going with the raise. That's all you get for now. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, yeah, we are already rolling out. Hopefully you got a good shot of him there. Alright, so with all these businesses kind of opening back up, we didn't just want to just park back here, because I mean there was a couple trucks back here when we pulled in. So we parked in the front, Frantz is already in, getting the tires set up. Sheesh.
No, that side is left camber than this side. Look at this side, look at that side. Oh, that's what it is. Yes, they also the
Show you what he got. Teamwork.
That's not what I ordered.
Them gram lights. Yeah.
Stick out like 4 inches. Yeah.
When I saw those, I knew they was the ones. I would have got them myself, but they 18s, and I'm more of a 20s kind of guy, maybe 19s. But they still dope. I love them, so I'm glad he got them, so I can at least see how they look on the Ultima. About to get that ooh, got that stretch. That pop. That's not too bad. Sheesh.
Do you have a camera kit on here or no?
Nope.
You need one.
Looking good, looking good. Can't wait to see it on the ground.
About 6 hours, 7 hours.
That's not bad.
So you just drop it?
I thought you would say months.
You still don't get the music?
Yeah.
So you can go lower.
Well, he's not sitting on the ground yet.
Nah.
Yeah, looks good too.
The only way this motherfucker's gonna go lower if you can't put the shit on it.
Those are not his, by the way. I don't know whose they are. But the car's so low, you can't just go all the way to the ground.
Take the legs up.
There we go. He's down.
Unless you decide in the future to put some bags on it? Hell no.
Mr. Anti-Bag. Harsh Bandit. Alright, about to see this new setup. Yeah. First I thought something was scraping, but them brakes. Sheesh. I gotta get the picture of this. Alright, so looks like we are going to head on over to do the alignment. So let's see if we can get a good shot of him turning out, because when he just turned to the right, it was looking real good. So definitely gotta get a good shot of that. And of course the lunch rush is going. Just made it to the usual spot. Osceola Speed Tires. It's about to get them in. I thought I saw some sparks for a second when you were driving.
No, some reason it'll and it goes like this. So they had to. I think Orlando forgot to put air on my back tire.
Ah. Okay. And we are here.
So I told him to put.
So I thought they had to use a few ramps for me, but they stacked it up for him. Sheesh. Bandit a problem, I see. I'd be worried about the front catching, really. Oh yeah, all about the details.
That shit actually don't look bad.
Yeah, it fits.
Just something to draw your eye. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Dang, he done already? It's what, 15 minutes? It's about time. I gotta make sure mine is good because I think my tire on the left is. He put air in it, right? Alright.
I know because
Word over. Looking good, looking good.
it looks good.
Oh yeah. Gotta get them brakes done. Alright, so he came in driving it. Alright, what's up?
Hey, bro, what do you think? What do you think? Huh? It's your first time driving an Optima, right? Hey, what do you think? Good.
Oh yeah. Looking good.
Depending on what type of car, only maximum. The maximum?
Alright, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Definitely let me know what you guys think of Bandit. New setup. We still got a few more things coming. Actually pretty soon. So it's probably gonna be in a week or two. We'll see some more. But yeah, definitely let us know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow the homies. And as always, stay fitted. Peace.